Hello, everybody. Brian here on just after midnight, Monday, December 11th. The Bitcoin futures launch here on CoinDesk.com. The CBOE website crashed when they launched the futures market and broke through their 20% volume swing, price swing. And futures was jumped from 14,509 to 15,572 at 2306 UTC. Contracts being offered can be found rare, and it's tracking the spot price. Now, the exchange, I believe, for CBOE is Gemini. So that's the exchange it uses for the spot price. I could be wrong on that, but we'll see how that goes out. Next week will be the competitor of the CME in a week's time. So we'll see how this one does over the next week and see how the CME will do with the Bitcoin futures. All right, so the other big item is the S&P 500 rally over the last few weeks. This article I'm looking at is SPY for the largest ETF out there. It's dated December 4th, so it's a week old. But here in this chart, you can see all the different big events of the big swings and then the drop off. From what I've seen in other charts, if there is, we will expect a downturn. I think it's going to be a deeper and longer downturn than 2007, just when you look at the historical and how much it's risen as compared to past upswings. So historically, we may be in for a deep drop. So 1937, the index was 29%, the real time high of 1929. So historically, we see here market milestone, percent change, number of years, percent change of 400. So there would be a 396% change in 1929. Over 8 years, average return was at 21%. And then 1932, the low was negative 81 for 2.7 years. And the annual return for dividends was negative for 44.9%. When you compare it to more recent highs of, let's say, 2006, of 666%, number of years, that's 18%. And it's an annualized return of 11.9%. And then 2009, the drop, about 59%, over 8.5 years, was negative 0.98%. So that's the typical historical ups and downs with the returns. And here in this interesting chart is a regression line where we have here, I guess, a historical inflation-adjusted regression to trend. And here we have the 1871 inflation-adjusted regression channel. So you can see here 112% rise, and we are not far from the upper band on this regression channel for now. Let's see what else we got here. Peak earnings and the elderly. Dependency. So the dependency for elderly is up. So interesting stats there. But just thought I'd put that together. I'll put the links if you want, my usual Quant Analytics light. And I'll see you in a couple days on the next round of reports. Over and out.